Welcome back. Happy Monday, everyone. We've got strong winds heading into the work week, so definitely grab that windbreaker today and be prepared to feel those gusts when you're out on the road this morning and this afternoon and evening. Because of those winds, we do have a red flag warning in effect. Fire danger elevated today. And a big change is coming midweek. I talked about this last week, but really we're going to see a lot of low pressure move on in, cooling us down and bringing us some moisture midweek. Now today we are going to start out our day with some cloud cover, and that is going to continue to be a pattern over the coming days. All that sunshine we saw over the weekend really making its exit as this trough of cooler air moves inland. So around noon today, we're still seeing that cloud cover develop there in North Montana towards northwestern Montana. A couple of pockets of light precipitation possible, but some major instability going on more towards the south of Montana this afternoon and evening. So Bozeman, Livingston, Billings, all tracking a slight chance of a storm later this afternoon and evening. Now by tomorrow morning, that moisture pushes out towards the east. And in addition to all this moisture today, we are looking at those winds to be pretty strong. So let's take a look at where the strongest winds will be. So around 10 a.m., we're already starting to see that breeze pick up towards Cut Bank, towards Great Falls. We could see gusts up to 30, 35 miles per hour. And then wind speeds in general are going to be on the stronger side today. So maybe not the best day for a game of golf. Look at 2 p.m. today. We're seeing those westerly winds push in very strong there towards Lewistown and Great Falls and towards Cut Bank. So really going to be quite the breezy day. Things do die down though this evening, 9 p.m. That's when that red flag warning is not in effect anymore. But the breeze is still picking up towards eastern Montana as we start out our day tomorrow. So right now, not a lot of action happening here in Montana, but later this afternoon and evening, we will see those winds pick up and see a couple of pockets of storm activity. Here's where that red flag warning is in effect, all the way towards eastern Montana, Glendive, Miles City. All of us here in the region, be cautious out there because we are going to see an elevated fire risk with these strong winds and relatively low humidity. So wind definitely on deck today. Temperatures not too bad. We're looking at the upper 70s, low 80s, so pretty similar to yesterday. We start to cool down though tomorrow, looking at temperatures reaching the upper 60s, low 70s. Wednesday, that's when that moisture starts to kick up in the afternoon and evening. Some showers being tracked and more moisture on Thursday. That's going to be our coldest and wettest day of the week. Here's a look at that Helena extended forecast. So today, a little bit breezy out there. We're looking at a high of 80 degrees, seeing a 9-degree cool down tomorrow, a high of 71 degrees. And then that moisture moves in Wednesday, looking at a high of 68 degrees with an 80% chance of precipitation overnight. We cool all the way down to the 50s Thursday, Friday with more moisture on deck for Thursday, 60% chance there. Great Falls also seeing a cool down. Today though, it's going to be pretty breezy up there, especially towards Cut Bank today. 80 degrees is our high, but that wind is going to make it feel cooler outside. I'm sure you're used to that. Great Falls. Tomorrow, we're going to see a high of 70, so that 10-degree cool down. Wind also is mellowing out tomorrow. And then that moisture rolls on in, 30 to 60% chance in the afternoon and evening there. Wednesday, a 50% chance on Thursday.